This is a one-owner 2018 Subaru Forester partial zero emissions vehicle with 2.5 liters and 4 cylinders. AutoCheck gives this Subaru a score of 91 out of 93, and you can view the AutoCheck report by visiting www.onyxautosales.com. This is a premium package. I'll open the door so you can see the trunk area, a nice rubber mat to help protect the interior of your car. And then under here is where your spare tire will be. Go in and zoom in so you can see the rims and the tread on the tires. The interior is a light gray. Here is the back row. It looks like in excellent condition. There are no tears anywhere or stains. It's a very nice car. While I'm back here, I'm going to go ahead and open up the panoramic sunroof. Kind of a wet, dreary day for us in northern Utah. Getting prepared for hopefully a bunch of snow like we did last year. And here is the passenger seat. Again, excellent condition, no tears anywhere. You do have heated seats, which is nice. This screen is where your backup camera will be. And there's some information. There are no caution or warning lights on. You have lane departure collision up here by the sunroof. And then underneath the rear view mirror, you have your garage door transmitters. It's not zooming in very well so you can see that, but they're there. And then you have blind spot monitoring as well as traction control, power locks and power windows. Cruise control, you can pair your phone, keep your hands free, and then it also has the SOS, you need help, which I hope you never have to use, but a nice feature if you do. If you are looking for an all-wheel drive vehicle to travel around in, come into Onyx Auto Sales and take this one-owner Subaru Forester out for a test drive. We're located at 95 West, 400 North in Logan, Utah. Purchase your vehicle through Onyx and you'll drive away with a smile. Onyx Auto Sales, let's rock.